Welcome to a new video of Masters Academy. CET 2020 Mathematics topic Determinants Synopsis, prepared by N. Parmesh. Properties of determinants. First point, the value of determinant remains unchanged if the rows and columns are interchanged. Second point, if any two rows or columns of a determinant be interchanged, the determinant is unaltered in numerical value but is changed in sign only. Third point, if a determinant has two rows or columns identical, then its value is 0. Fourth point, if all the elements of any row or column be multiplied by the same number, then the value of the determinant is multiplied by that number. Fifth point, if each element of any row or column can be expressed as a sum of two terms, then the determinant can be expressed as the sum of the determinants. Sixth point, the value of determinant is not altered by adding to the elements of any row or column the same multiples of the corresponding element of any other row or column. Seventh point, if all the elements below leading diagonal or above leading diagonal or except leading diagonal elements are 0, then the value of the determinant equal to multiplied of all leading diagonal elements. Eighth point, if matrix A is of order n cross n, then determinant k into A is equal to k to the power n into determinant A. Ninth point, determinant AB is equal to determinant A determinant B provided AB is defined. 10th point, determinant A to the power n is equal to determinant A whole to the power n, comma, n belongs to natural number. 11th point, if A and B are square matrices of the same order, then determinant AB is equal to determinant BA. 12th point, determinant of any triangular matrix and diagonal matrix is the product of its diagonal elements. 13th point, the determinant of a skew symmetric matrix of odd order is always 0. Shortcut methods. First point, determinant, first row 1 1 1, second row BC CA AB, third row B plus C C plus A plus B is equal to determinant, first row 1 1 1, second row ABC, third row A square B square C square is equal to determinant, first row 1 B plus C B square plus C square, second row 1 C plus A C square plus A square, third row 1 A plus B A square plus B square is equal to A minus B bracket B minus C bracket C minus A. Second point, determinant, first row 1 x x square, second row 1 y y square, third row 1 z z square is equal to determinant, first row 1 x y z, second row 1 y z x, third row 1 z x y is equal to x minus y bracket y minus z bracket z minus x. Third point, determinant, first row 1 x x cube, second row 1 y y cube, third row 1 z z cube is equal to x minus y bracket y minus z bracket z minus x bracket x plus y plus z. Fourth point, determinant, first row 1 x square x cube, second row 1 y square y cube, third row 1 z square z cube is equal to x minus y bracket y minus z bracket z minus x bracket xy plus yz plus zx. Fifth point, determinant, first row B plus C A, second row B C plus A B, third row C C A plus B is equal to 4ABC. Sixth point, determinant, first row A square plus 1 AB AC, second row AB B square plus 1 BC, third row AC BC C square plus 1 is equal to 1 plus A square plus B square plus C square. Seventh point, determinant, first row 1 AB C bracket A plus B, second row 1 BC A bracket B plus C, third row 1 CA B bracket C plus A is equal to 0. Eighth point, determinant, first row 1 A BC, second row 1 B CA, third row 1 C AB is equal to determinant, first row 1 A square, second row 1 B square, third row 1 C square. Ninth point, if f of x is equal to determinant only one column R1 R2 R3, then f dash of x is equal to, first differentiate the first element of the first row R1 dash R2 R3 as it is plus determinant R1 as it is, R2 dash R3 plus determinant R1, R2 as it is, R3 dash. Properties of adjoint of a square matrix. If A, B are square matrices of order n and In is the corresponding unit matrix, then first point, A into adjoint A is equal to determinant A into In is equal to adjoint A into A. Thus, A into adjoint A is always a scalar matrix. Second point, if A is a singular matrix, then A into adjoint A is equal to adjoint A into A is equal to 0. Third point, determinant adjoint A is equal to determinant A whole raised to the power n minus 1. Fourth point, adjoint of adjoint A is equal to determinant A whole to the power n minus 2 into A. Fifth point, adjoint AB is equal to adjoint B into adjoint A. Sixth point, A is triangular, which implies adjoint A is also triangular. Seventh point, the adjoint of a scalar matrix is a scalar. Eighth point, the adjoint of a diagonal matrix is a diagonal matrix. Ninth point, A is a singular, which implies determinant adjoint A is equal to 0. Tenth point, A is symmetric, which implies adjoint A is also symmetric. 11th point, A is diagonal, which implies adjoint A is also diagonal. 12th point, if A is singular, then adjoint A is also singular. Inverse of a matrix. The inverse of a matrix A is given by A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Let A be a square matrix is said to be singular if determinant A is equal to 0. Otherwise, it is non-singular. Properties of the inverse of a square matrix. First one, AB whole inverse is equal to B inverse A inverse. Second point, determinant A inverse is equal to determinant A whole inverse, that is equal to 1 by determinant A. Third point, if matrix A is equal to first row AB, second row CD, then A inverse is equal to 1 divided by AD minus BC into matrix, principal diagonal are interchanged BA, secondary diagonal signs are changed minus C minus B. Fourth point, A is symmetric, which implies A inverse is also symmetric. Fifth point, A is diagonal, comma, determinant A is not equal to 0, which implies A inverse is also diagonal. Sixth point, A is scalar, which implies A inverse is also scalar matrix. Seventh point, A is triangular, comma, determinant A not equal to 0, which implies A inverse is also triangular. Eighth point, every invertible matrix possesses a unique inverse. Solution of system of linear equations. First point, system of linear equation is homogeneous. Let Ax is equal to B be a system of linear equation. This system of equation is said to be homogeneous system of linear equation if and only if B is equal to 0, that is A into X is equal to 0. Second point, system of linear equation is non-homogeneous. In that first point, if determinant A not equal to 0, non-singular, then the system is consistent and has a unique solution given by X is equal to A inverse into D. Second point, if determinant A is equal to 0, singular matrix, and adjoint A into D is not equal to 0, then the system is inconsistent and has no solution. Third point, if determinant A is equal to 0, singular matrix, and adjoint A into D is equal to 0, then the system is either consistent or inconsistent, because the system will have either infinite number of solution or no solution. If it is consistent, infinite number of solution. If it is inconsistent, no solution. Application of determinants in geometry. First point, let A of x1, y1, B of x2, y2, C of x3, y3 be the three vertices of a triangle. Then subdivision. First point, area of triangle ABC is equal to 1 by 2. Determinant first row x1, y1, 1. Second row x2, y2, 1. Third row x3, y3, 1. Subdivision. Second point, determinant first row x1, y1, 1. Second row x2, y2, 1. Third row x3, y3, 1 is equal to 0 if 3 points are collinear. Third point, equation of a line passing through the points A and B is determinant first row x, y, 1. Second row x1, y1, 1. Third row x2, y2, 1 is equal to 0. Second point, if ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 represent a pair of straight line, then abc plus 2f GH minus AF square minus BG square minus CH square is equal to 0. That is equal to determinant. First row A H G, second row H B F, third row G F C, that is equal to 0. Third point, if three lines A R X plus B R Y plus C R is equal to 0, where R is equal to 1, 2, 3 are concurrent if determinant first row A1 B1 C1, second row A2 B2 C2, third row A3 B3 C3 is equal to 0. Fourth point, if matrix A is equal to first row A 0 0, second row 0 B 0, third row 0 0 C, then A inverse is equal to matrix first row 1 by A 0 0, second row 0 1 by B 0, third row 0 0 1 by C. Dear friends, if you find this video useful, then please subscribe our YouTube channel and share it to your friends. Thank you.